press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Tough day? Moody? Not feeling great? What would you do?
Oh wow, this looks good. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. So in today's video, I'm going to show you in detail how you can create a perfect smoky eye look. So without any further delay, let's get started. Oh my god, my makeup looks perfect. Let's click a picture. That's it for the video guys. So if you like today's video, do let us know in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, I have a little surprise for you. All you need to do is join the MyGlamm Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is in the description box below. And for more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!